Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing some fantastic tips on how to make your bedroom look expensive without breaking the bank. So if you're ready to give your bedroom a luxurious makeover, let's get started. The first step in achieving an expensive look is decluttering your space. Remove any unnecessary items and keep only the essentials. A clutter-free room automatically appears more spacious and sophisticated. Now, let's talk about color. Opt for a neutral color palette such as shades of white, cream, or gray as they create a timeless and elegant ambience. Add pops of color through accessories like pillows, throws, or artwork for a more luxurious touch. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating an expensive atmosphere. Invest in a statement chandelier or pendant lights to add a touch of glamour to your bedroom. Soft, warm lighting enhances the cozy and intimate feel of the space. Upgrading your bedding can make a massive difference. Choose high-quality sheets and duvet covers in. Luxurious fabrics like Egyptian cotton or silk. Layer your bed with plush pillows and a stylish throw top. Achieve that hotel-like look. Another great way to elevate your bedroom is by adding a statement headboard. You can create a custom headboard using plywood, foam padding, and luxurious fabric. Upholster it yourself or hire a professional for a flawless finish. Now, let's talk about window treatments. Replace old curtains or blinds with floor-length drapes made of rich fabrics like velvet or silk. This will add a touch of elegance and drama to your bedroom while making the space appear taller and grander. No expensive-looking bedroom is complete without some luxurious details. Add decorative accents like a mirrored vanity tray, crystal drawer knobs, or a stylish rug to enhance the overall aesthetic. Remember, it's all in details. Lastly, don't forget about artwork. Hang some beautiful framed prints or canvases that complement your bedroom's color scheme and style. Artwork adds personality and sophistication to any space. And there you have it. With these simple yet effective tips, you can transform your bedroom into a luxurious retreat without spending a fortune. Remember, it's all about creating a cohesive look with high-quality elements and attention to detail. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Modern Interior Solutions for more exciting DIY tips and home decor ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.